This 2024 Winnebago Vista 34R is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features a town and country, brown, Saloak DK interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, water heater, skylight, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, slideout, microwave, TV, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette, U-shaped kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.